Are you confused about what to eat when you have IBS? We have got you covered in this video. It is called the FODMAP diet. FODMAP stands for Fermentable Oligosaccharides, Disaccharides, Monosaccharides, and Polyols. These are a group of fermentable short-chain carbohydrates not absorbed by our small intestine. They increase the amount of fluid in the bowel and create more gas. This leads to bloating and changes in the speed with which food is digested. Eating less of these types of carbohydrates would help decrease these symptoms. Now let me tell you some foods with low amounts of these carbohydrates. Gluten-free grains like rice quinoa, fruits like bananas, blueberries, oranges, vegetables like carrots, potatoes, bell peppers, and lactose-free dairy products or non-dairy alternatives like almond milk are low in these highly fermentable carbs. You should consume less of foods like wheat, apples, cherries, onions, garlic, mushrooms, dairy containing lactose, and sweeteners like honey or corn syrup. Take charge of your health today and follow healthy info for more information like this.